Well, hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene. I hope everybody is having a really good day so far. I know it's bright and early in the morning here. It's about 7:45 in the morning. This video is from yesterday, Sunday morning. I made this necklace set while I was listening to a sermon on the telephone. So I didn't even get a chance to upload it yesterday. That's just how busy my morning was. And a lot of times I'll try to get something made on my side just for the sake of getting something made and managing my time. So I try to get something done before I leave the house, before I start my day job. Anytime I can steal a little time away to create something, that's basically what I do. So let's talk about the membership and Jewelry by BDK. For the membership, if you would like to cancel your membership, you can you want to sign into YouTube, go to YouTube paid memberships, and then you want to find the channel membership that you want to cancel, and then you're going to click manage membership. At that time, you're going to select deactivate, and then you'll select end membership. What should happen at that point, you should see a cancellation confirmation screen. So if you want to cancel out your membership, that's how you do that. And also keep in mind for Jewelry by BDK, I never said that Jewelry by BDK was a tutorial training type channel. And I think I have mentioned that many times throughout videos that I created Jewelry by BDK to show people designs, like to maybe provoke thought, your creative thought. Because a lot of times as a creator, jewelry making specifically, you're looking for different ideas. Like you're just looking for something to provoke your creative thought. It's like, okay, well, what can I do? What can I do? Right? And then that's what the channel is all about. And not only that, to inspire people, to inspire individuals to keep creating, or if they want to create, just start creating, right? It's not a channel where I tell you how much wire I'm cutting, like if it's 6 inches, if it's 8 inches, if it's or I'm using a 22 millimeter gemstone, or I just that's too much, and I never came into the channel doing any of that. That was not my idea for the channel. It's like just displaying what it is that I do, having some conversation, and if people like what they see, then it's like, oh, okay, well, here's some of the supplies that I use in the description area. Take them and do what you will with them. But it was never meant to be a channel, and it probably never will be. I don't have the time to do that, to measure, to cut, to do that. It's not a Jewelry by BDK is not a jewelry making university. It's just, that's just not what it is. It's like if you see something, you like it, you want to try to duplicate it or do something like it, that's good stuff. But outside of, like anything else, it's not for that. And if you want to cancel your membership, that's cool. I don't have a problem with that. And there are a lot of free videos that you can watch. And I think what happened a lot of times, especially if people are paying the membership, is only $4.99 a month, right? I get probably $3.49 of that, right? Because of course YouTube is going to get their part, so probably $3.49. That does help me to buy some supplies, some strung beads, and like all that good stuff. And I do appreciate your memberships and all that good stuff. And I think I mentioned this before. For 2025, I have a lot of things that I'm planned. I've reached out to different companies to see if I can get them to provide me with maybe free supplies, some complimentary things, some different things like such, so I can start giving away like gift bags and all that type of thing, right? For the membership area. Not only that though, starting 2025, I will start sending out a code to any person who is a member in the YouTube area, where you can go to my actual website and you can get one free ebook, any one of my ebooks that you want, any one of the training business books that you want, maybe a color book, whatever you want. But that code will get you one of something every month off of my website, the digital product, one of the digital products. So that's going to start in 2025. And the thought is, like, for the membership, it's not, for some people it may be a lot, like $4.99, paying the $4.99 every month. And and I get it. It's like it's $4.99. What am I really getting for the $4.99? I think you're getting some some really nice, unique design, information. If you ask me, $4.99 is not a whole lot for what I'm showing and giving with 5 videos a month, and then I'm going to add a digital product beginning 2025. And I'm adding the digital product because a lot of people are starting their business or wanting to start a jewelry business. So I said, well, what better than an ebook on jewelry business or business, just business, right? So got a lot of stuff planned for 2025. And also, if you want to cancel your membership, just sign into YouTube. Go to YouTube, pay memberships, go to the channel membership that you want to cancel, click on manage membership, select deactivate in your membership. You should get a cancellation confirmation screen. That's all there is. There ain't no more. Be sure to enjoy the rest of your day.